Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Jordan from Freehold. Today we're going to look at this house, double-story intermediate house in SS5 Kelana Jaya. Okay, so I'll just go through this video very quickly. The first thing you will notice in front of the house, they've actually done up extensive renovation to the whole house, and they have maintained this little piece of land in front for your personal garden. All right, yeah. So the time now is about 12 afternoon, and the sunlight is until here. All right. So you can see the flowers all blooming, very nice. This is the view of the main road. Yeah, and just to give you a sense of direction, Giant is just behind of this house. Yeah, so this building here, High Park Suits, Giant is in front. So we are just walking distance to Giant. Okay, so this is the gate. Yeah, if you want to install an auto gate, you may do so. You can put the machine down here and the second one down there also. All right. So now, okay, we will go this side. Yeah, from the front of the house, it looks like this. Yeah, this room here is actually the master bedroom, and the windows are done in such a way that you can see from the inside but not from the outside. Okay, so let's go. Yeah. Okay, so the second thing also, they have done up the floor to raise it, so all your shoes will be behind. In this place here, you can take out your shoes already. Yeah, so welcome to the house, guys. Yeah, okay, the first thing you will notice, they have done up the plaster ceiling with white lightings to make the house look very spacious. And also, when we come in, it's a straight way all the way to the back. This helps to promote the ventilation and to keep the air quality in the house very fresh. Okay, so here is the living room. You can put your television down here if you want to, or even here, whichever way you want. All right, and then if you have an aircon, you can also put it down here. Okay, so once you go further in, this is your dining table. Yeah, this space is big enough to put a 6-seater dining table, and if you want also, you can put a mirror here to make the house look bigger. Yeah, okay, so on the right side of the dining area, you have this television hall. This is where the family can hang around and you can watch TV together. So all of this, by the way guys, all of this is actually renovated, heavily renovated. This is not the original design. Yeah, so you will not find any other house with the same design as this. Okay, so television is here, and then you have sofas. So again, if you choose, you can always put a wall here and make this into a room. You know, I mean, that was the original layout. Yeah, but for this family, they like to have the TV here so they can have their guests behind, you know, talking about other stuff without being distracted by the TV. Alright, so on the right side here, you have a staircase. You will notice the staircase is made of tiles. It's actually very wide. It has a handle on the right side also. Yeah, so we will go back to that later. Now let's go and have a look at the kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen here, you will notice there are actually two parts of the kitchen. This is what we call the dry kitchen. The owner has already installed very good kitchen cabinets, almost all the way up to the ceiling, with a little space to put your fridge. And there's also a space there for a 2x2 oven or microwave oven. Yeah, so you have an island top down here, and this little partition here will actually separate between the dry kitchen for your suppers and your tea time versus your wet kitchen, which you're going to do your heavy cooking. Alright, so I'll just turn the camera behind. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so now this is the wet kitchen. The first thing you will notice, the countertop is actually made of concrete. Yeah, so the tiles here is very easy to maintain and easy to clean also. Yeah, below you have covered cabinets to keep all your extra stuff. And the second thing is that they have also tiled the wall all the way up to the ceiling. Alright, because those of you who cook, you will know that the kitchen will be oily. Yeah, frying and all these things, oily. So it's very easy to maintain. So all the things will be here. You also have a ventilation fan to pull out all the cooking smoke and all these things. Yeah, behind the house we have a grill, and this place here you have the back door and also an additional toilet. Yeah, see? Wow, look at the decoration on this. Yeah, this is what they call the thinking room. Yeah. Okay, so just nice, you know, for you to use so that you don't have to go up. Alright, so behind the house, just put the camera out a little bit. Yeah, this is actually a back alley, but as you can see on this part here, behind the trees, there's a step. Yeah, what it means is that the motorcycle and the cars cannot drive in. Yeah. But at the same time, the door is here. It's for emergency exit. In case there's anything that you need to go out, you can go out through the back also. Yeah. Alright, so this place is only accessible by the neighbors. Yeah. Okay. So now, just turn here a little bit. They have a second smaller fridge down here, a cabinet on top also. Okay, so next to the kitchen, you have a guest room. This is what we call a guest room. So usually every family, if you have elderly parents, you know, you want them to stay on the floor, ground floor, without taking the stairs up on a daily basis, then this is the best room for them. Yeah, okay. So give you an idea, the ceiling is all the way up, aircon is here, and then you can put your bed, a single bed or even a queen size bed, for people to stay here. Yeah, so this is where their wardrobe is. So the room is quite spacious. Yeah. Almost about 8 feet by 8 feet is a square shape. Alright. If you want to change the light, you can put into an LED light, not an issue at all. Alright. So now, yeah, we will go and look at the master bedroom. Alright. So the master bedroom, like I mentioned earlier, yeah, is actually facing the front of the house. Yeah. So on the left here you have a toilet. It's a simple ensuite bathroom for the master. You can change the sink or put even a cabinet here if you want. If not, just maintain. There's a ventilation fan on top also. And then after that, this is how it looks like. This bed is actually a king size bed. It's a square 6 by 6, 6.5 by 6.5 with the view of the front. Yeah. So just now from outside you can't really see because there's a reflective layer outside here, but here they have put grill and also mosquito netting and also a sun reflective layer, so it's a one-way vision thing. You can see whoever is coming to your house, yeah, if you want to. All right, so yeah, they have also installed almost full height built-in wardrobe. All right, okay, so now we can go up and have a look at the second floor. Okay, let's go, guys. All right, so first of all, you will see that the width of the staircase is actually very wide, you know, reasonably wide. You can put your hand here, or your other hand also here. All right, so you can take your time to go up, lah. Yeah, so it's not so sempit, lah. You know, it's not so tight. So as you go up the second floor, all right, this is actually facing the back of the house already. Yeah. I will show you the front first and then we can go back to the back. Yeah, okay, this is how the staircase looks like. Not bad, right? Yeah. So this whole area here, in fact the whole floor, is all renovated. There is no second floor on the original design. Alright. So all the way in front, you have another shower. Okay. Quite straightforward. And then you have 2 bedrooms at the second floor. So this is the first bedroom. Once again, it's very spacious. The bed is a queen size bed. Yeah. So it's not a square lah. Yeah, and then you also have window panels with grills in front. You have the aircon there. So from this bedroom, you can actually see the front of the house. You know, but of course with the roof, you can't really see who's in front. Yeah, but you can still see the sky in the view. It provides good natural lighting. Yeah, okay. And then at the side of the room, you have a full height built-in wardrobe. Yeah, see all the way to the ceiling. Alright, so you keep your daily clothes here and all your long-term things like your luggage bags, you know, linens all on top here. Alright, very, very well done. Let's take a look at the room again. Yeah. You have a very nice flooring also. That's what we call laminated flooring. Yeah, easy to mop, easy to maintain, pleasing to the eye also. And this is the second room. Alright, so the second room, the size is, I would say, is almost the same as the first room. Yeah, the only difference is that it's actually facing behind of the house. Yeah, so once again, you can put either a king size bed or in this case 2 single beds. Yeah, okay, you got a shelf above your head there. And then you also have a full height L-shaped built-in wardrobe. Yeah. Alright. And this is where you put your study tables and all your books. Okay. So guys, now let's go and look at 1 or 2 more things I'd like to show you. Between the 2 rooms, there's actually a small storeroom. Yeah. So this storeroom, I mean, just quite a straightforward thing. Yeah. Let's on the light. Yeah, you can keep all your barang-barang inside here. They have all the shelf, all the racks are all here already, including a countertop also. Yeah, so it keeps your house very manageable and tidy. Yeah. Okay, we close that. And the second thing I'd like to show you is also additional storage space on top of the house, on top of the room, I mean. Yeah, this is where they keep all their linens, their bed sheets and pillowcases. Alright, so when you need it, you take it from there. Yeah. So the last thing I'd like to show you is all the way at the back of the house. Yeah, this is actually their reading corner, by the way. So lots of books. Yeah, you can have your bookshelf here and put all your things here. Yeah, this is, by the way, also an ironing board. You know, that is folded into the wall already. So very good use of space. Okay. So this is the back of the house from the grill. Alright. Yeah, this space here is about 5 feet, 4 to 5 feet. Maybe 4.5. Yeah. And you have simple balcony with a bit of window. Let's look behind the house. You see, actually, I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up, but there's a gate down there. There's a gate behind of the banana tree to stop outsiders from walking to the back of your house. So that's actually a very, very nice addition to the neighborhood. Yeah. The same thing goes to this side also, all the way to the end behind the blue thing and the water tank. There's another grill down there also. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, right? So this is the back of the room. Yeah. You will see that they have installed a clothes hanger rack all the way to the wall there, and also aircon compressor. Yeah. So what happens is that when you're on your aircon, the hot air will go out. It will also help you dry your clothes down here. Yeah, you know, but then if it rains, it's actually protected from the rain. Yeah, if you want, you can also install some bamboo blinds down here to provide additional protection against the wind and the rain. Okay. Yeah. Another thing you can also do is consider moving your washing machine up here. So put a tap, pull the electric plug, and then put your washing machine here. Cover half of this, so you can do your laundry here, wash straight away, hang here, and then finish, keep inside the bedroom. Yeah, that way it'll be much faster instead of bringing the clothes up and down every time. All right, that's suggestion for you. Okay, so this is how it looks like all the way to the end. I like the floor. They put tiles to the floor. It's easy to clean, so very sturdy, and it looks very good. So alright guys, yeah, let's just look at the house one more time. Whew. Yeah. So this house is actually very suitable for a family, 3 or 4 person. Yeah, and everything is pretty much done up already. You don't have to do much things. You just need to do some minor revision and the house is good to go. Okay, so yeah, that is the end of the video. Just a quick pan. Alright. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Yeah. And hi guys. Yeah, this is the living room once again. You have any guests, you can sit here and talk. Yeah. Okay, and that is the front of the house. So thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, let me know. Any questions, let me know. If you'd like to view the house also, let me know. This is Jordan from Redfield. Bye.